Can you lose weight with the 7-day GM diet? Subscribe now, like, and share this video. People following the GM diet eat a different food group or combination of food groups each day. The main foods that the GM diet allows include fruits, vegetables, meat, and milk. The plan instructs people to eat a big breakfast, a moderately sized lunch, and a light dinner. It also allows several snacks throughout the day. The plan recommends that people drink a lot of water to promote proper digestion and prevent them from feeling tired. The plan recommends 2 to 3 glasses of water with each meal. There is no absolute recommendation for the total amount of water to drink per day, which depends on a person's age, body weight, and overall health. People following the GM diet can take part in light forms of exercise, such as yoga while dieting. After day 3, they can add walking or other low-intensity cardio to their workouts. On days 5 to 7, people can start adding strength training to their exercise regimen. Before I get started, make sure you turn bell notifications on so you can get the latest content. What is the basic outline of the GM diet with possible meal plans? Day 1, fruit. People can eat a range of fruits, especially melons and citrus fruits, but should avoid bananas. Breakfast, 1 medium apple or 1 bowl of mixed berries. Snack, 1 bowl of cantaloupe or an orange. Lunch, 1 bowl of watermelon. Snack, 1 orange. Dinner, 1 pear or 1 bowl of kiwi. Snack, 1 bowl of mixed berries. Day 2, vegetables. Start the day with a sweet potato or baked potato, but limit potato intake to breakfast only. People can eat vegetables raw or cooked. Breakfast, 1 sweet potato or 1 baked potato. Snack, 1 bowl of cabbage. Lunch, a mixed salad containing lettuce, tomatoes, carrots, and cucumber. Snack, 1 bowl of steamed or raw broccoli. Dinner, 1 bowl of kale or arugula with asparagus. Snack, 1 bowl of sliced cucumbers. Day 3, fruit and vegetables. People can eat the same foods as days 1 and 2, avoiding bananas and potatoes. Breakfast, 1 apple or 1 bowl of watermelon. Snack, 1 bowl of cherry tomatoes. Lunch, a mixed salad. Snack, 1 bowl of sliced cucumbers. Dinner, 1 kale salad with carrots and cucumbers and 1 bowl of strawberries on the side. Snack, 1 apple. Like this video so I know the content that I provide you provides you value. Day 4, bananas and milk. Eat bananas either whole or in a smoothie with milk and ice. No other fruits or vegetables are allowed, but people can also eat Wonder Soup. Breakfast, 2 bananas and 1 glass of milk. Snack, 1 smoothie containing banana and skim milk. Lunch, 1 bowl of Wonder Soup. Snack, 1 smoothie containing banana and skim milk. Dinner, Wonder Soup and 1 banana. Day 5, meat. Eat 20 ounces of either beef, chicken, or fish. Vegetarians can replace meat with cottage cheese or brown rice. Breakfast, 5 to 6 ounces serving of meat and 2 whole tomatoes. Lunch, 7 to 8 ounces serving of meat with 2 whole tomatoes. Dinner, 5 to 6 ounces serving of meat with 2 whole tomatoes. Snacks, Wonder Soup or freshly pressed tomato juice. An additional 4 cups of water. Leave a comment below this video if you have any questions so I can reach out to you and help you out. Day 6, meat and vegetables. Eat 20 ounces of meat and unlimited raw or cooked vegetables, excluding potatoes and tomatoes. Vegetarians can have cottage cheese or brown rice in place of meat. Breakfast, 5 to 6 ounces serving of meat with 1 bowl of vegetables. Lunch, 7 to 8 ounces serving of meat with 1 bowl of vegetables. Dinner, 5 to 6 ounces serving of meat with Wonder Soup. Snacks, Wonder Soup. Day 7, rice, fruit, and vegetables. Eat fruit, vegetables, and brown rice. The diet plan for this day permits sugar-free juice. Breakfast, 1 bowl of brown rice and 1 orange or a bowl of watermelon. Lunch, 1 bowl of brown rice and 1 glass of sugar-free fruit juice. Dinner, 1 bowl of brown rice with 1 bowl of raw or cooked vegetables. Snacks, berries, citrus fruits, or Wonder Soup. However, if you don't want to do this diet, click the link in the description to learn how to lose weight without dieting. And make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family so everyone can get informed of this valuable information.